I opened a January 2028 $10 call option on Bull, and this isn't a random long-term gamble. My thesis is simple. I believe we're setting up for a reversal back towards the $11 level. But what made this more interesting is that Vega, the AI inside webull, is highlighting positive developments around the stock. So in this video, I'm going to break down the chart, what the AI is seeing, and how I'm structuring this long dated call to give the thesis time to play out. Here's what it's saying. 1. Recent news. Webull Corporation operates a digital investment platform with a market capitalization of $3.13 billion. The company's primary revenue source is its brokerage segment. This is what we're using, which generated $514.8 million. Webull's revenue saw a 41.6% increase last year. Let's go. And is projected to grow faster than the U.S. market. With earnings expected to rise significantly annually, recent partnerships and product expansions are enhancing its trading platform capabilities and supporting growth. That's fire. Number 2, this is where we come in, technical analysis. So 2.1, support and resistance. The 100-day resistance is $8.38. The 100-day support is $5.84. The 100-week resistance is $11.61, and the 100-week support is $5.78. So right now the price is $6.01. So we are arguably at the bottom, preparing to move back towards resistance. We want to see 578 and 584 hold, and we want to continue to move up toward $8.38 and then $11.61. The daily technical events. February 13, 2026, the RSI, the relative strength index, was bullish, closing at $6.01 with a volume of 8,373,000. All right, so the RSI was bullish. That typically means that we were in fact oversold. February 11th, 2026, the Commodity Channel Index, the CCI, was bearish, closing at $6.24 with a volume of 9 million. February 9th, 2026, the Fast Stochastic was bullish, closing at 679 with a volume of 9 million. So we had a move up and then we had a pullback. So the 9th we moved up. On the 11th, we had a pullback, and then on February 13th, we fell below $6 and came back to close at $6. So we touched those support levels, and then we came back to close on Friday at $6.01. So we're at $6 going into this third week of February. Now, the weekly technical events. And January 30th, again, we had that bearish signal. And then on February 6th, we had a hammer, a bullish hammer, closing at $6.58. So again, we came all the way down to support. We had a bounce, so to speak. And now we're looking to see if we're going to hold a double bottom. That's what we're looking. So let's go look at the actual chart to see what that looks like. So here we are on let's go to the a shorter time frame, like the hourly. Now boom, the hourly is letting us see that we had a big move down from 875. All right, so from 875 was our previous high point, and we came all the way down to 578. You see 578. We had to move back up to 698, and then we came back down here for a higher low at 585. or 584. You saw the 100-day support level. And now we have a move back up. We had another bounce to 624, and then we came back to hold at 601. Now to me, this looks like from this move from 584 to 627 or 626, you could say, is how much? That is about 40 cents. So 584 to 605 is about halfway, and we held at 601. All right, so this is like a bullish flag. This is a bull flag, and we're looking for continuation to the upside. We want to see it break above 611, break and hold above 634. And if we can break and hold above 634, which is the 50-period moving average, we're going to look to test the 200-period moving average. So it's at 747 now. I wouldn't be surprised if we test it at about 720. So as we move up, the 200-period moving average is going to move down. We'll probably meet it at about 720, and that will be roughly the next level of support. Okay, or it might actually come down to 698, and we're going to be looking to break $7 and hold. All right, so that is the hourly chart. It's giving us a double bottom. It looks like the beginning of a double bottom, and we're looking to see if we're going to, if this bull flag is going to give us a move to the top, or if we're going to continue to make a lower low. All right, and the bull flat and the double bottom is going to fail. All right, so that is my thesis and my vision for webull, and here is the option that I purchased. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich. I'll see you in the next video.